Okay guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Today's unboxing video I'll be unboxing a new camera. Well, I recently did actually unboxing of a new camera, but this is another one because I need something compact since my SX130IS broke its screen and the charger, so it doesn't turn on anymore. Even though if I replace the batteries it doesn't turn on. It's something very wrong with it. Anyways, I purchased this camera. This is the Canon IXUS or IXUS 115HS or 115HS. It's a budget camera, but has a lot of features to it, since even though it's a budget camera. So let's open it up. The package. Typical Canon packaging. Let's see. There you go. Yes, here you go. A little inside here you get the CD and the quick start guide for the 115 and the 117. USB cable and TV cable. Right here we got the charger for the battery, which is a 4.2 volt 0.65 amp charger, and it will work on both 100 volts and 240 volts or 110 volts or whatever you call it. So that's it, and of course you get the power cord, the European power cord for this particular model because it's a European. Also get the battery pack, which is a, oh, look at this, I love this. Okay, I hate this camera. I don't hate it, but it's horrible when it comes to focusing. Made in Japan. That is a big step forward there. Or, it's a Japanese company, so what else can you expect? Yeah, this is the reason I want a small compact camera. Take a look at the focusing on this piece of shit. Yes, that battery is on a 3.7 volt at 60 milliamp hours, 2.9 watt hours. You can calculate that yourself if you so wish to do that. If you're into the electronics, know how to calculate wattage, amperage, stuff like that, you can easily do that. So there's the information about the battery pack. Yeah, small battery pack. And last but not least, the strap for attaching to the camera. So the camera itself is under here, in this little plastic casing and protective plastic around it. So there's the camera itself. Aluminum or steel casing, I'm not sure, but that is aluminum. Very nice. It has there the Canon zoom lens. It's a 4x image with image stabilizer, so that is very good. 12.1 megapixels, but to be honest, 12.1 megapixels is like the max I would go for such a small camera, because you won't get all the details with that small lens. If you want something more, you should go for a SLR camera with 12 or more megapixels. I got 12.2 on mine, which I'm filming with right now. I'm just gonna get some fingerprints on the screen, which is a big screen, much bigger than the SLR camera I'm using now. This is a 3-inch display on a budget camera. That is insane. Buttons here, cheap. They're cheap and hard, but that's to be expected when you pay that price for a camera. It's a budget camera, as I said, but I guess this will get better during time and usage of the camera. Here's the shutter button, the zoom, a rocker or button or whatever you call that. The power button here, and the little photo and video mode or something here. The mode you want to set the camera to. If you set it for full auto, you'll have autofocus, auto color, everything will be auto. If you set this here, you have a little more settings to play with. So let's open it up, or open up the back cover here. And under here you can install a SD card and a battery. So we'll install a SD card right here. And I will install the battery. So let's just hope there is still power on that battery pack. Or if it is any power, because usually it is actually half full or something, I don't know. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is 16/4/2012. The time is 14:15. Oh, the SD card is limiting it. Just wait a second, guys. I got a message. Just gonna read that. Okay, so back, guys. The SD card needs to be formatted. Yeah, I got a video of myself there. Wait a second. Let's see if they got anything private here. No, only the kittens, my cats. Wow, that's a very nice screen on this. Yeah, those pictures are taken with my SLR camera. So you can zoom in and out with this zoom notch here. I guess I will need to format this card then. There are many pictures of my cats here. My mom has actually all the pictures, so I can actually delete all of them. Delete. So you can see, no, it has to erase all. Yes. It's a very nice screen on it. I've never seen anything like it on such in the budget camera. Oh, nice. Okay. Everything that's full auto. So if you can put it to that right here, program mode. Various camera function. I can force enable the flash. Take reasonably good pictures actually in that distance. Let's just see how close that camera will go. I'm just gonna zoom in with my handy dandy zoom lens on that SLR camera. Let's set to auto mode. Wow, that is close. That is very nice. So video mode, let's take a look at the settings here. Press set and you'll get the settings menu, self timer, the aspect ratio of images, the size of images, the detail of the image, and video mode. You get here many video modes. You got 1920 by 1080. You got the 1280 by 720. You can film at 43 minutes. That's very nice. You got 1640 by 480. You can film 96 minutes with that. And you got 320 by 240, which you can film 312 minutes on an 8 gig card, which is very good. So that is now as a video mode. Let's take a look at here. Volume. I like things high. There you go. Sound options. Cool. LCD brightness. So you can save power or have super high brightness. Startup image. Canon or IXUS system. Oh, here we format the card. Power saving mode. Display off at 1 minute. You can also set it to 10 seconds. I think half a minute would be great. Yeah, cool. Cool stuff, cool stuff. Takes reasonably good pictures. And has a wow, it's actually very impressive to be this budget camera. Cool stuff. So that is it, guys. That is the Canon IXUS, what do you call it, 115 HS camera, budget camera. If you have any questions, send me a message on YouTube or add a comment, and I'll see you guys next time.